Good evening, children. So today I am going to discuss a question which is related to sequence and series and number theory. So here the question you are observing, the question is P, Q, R belongs to natural numbers. They are the natural numbers and are in GP, means geometric progression. They are in geometric progression. And it is given that the arithmetic mean of PQR is Q plus 5. The second condition is given that the arithmetic mean of PQR is Q plus 5. And here a Y is a variable which is related with P, that is given as Y is equal to P square plus P plus 1 divided by P plus 1. Then the greatest integral value of Y is dash. This is a very good question. So how we are going to solve this? Now I am going to discuss with you. Firstly, it's given that PQR in GP. So PQR in GP, they are in geometric progression, means they are having common ratio. I can conclude that Q by P is equal to R by Q. That is equal to some common ratio. Let it be K. Let it be K. Here they are natural numbers. PQR belongs to natural numbers. That implies I can conclude that K is an integer. K is an integer. So K belongs to integers. I can conclude, means that is positive integer. So K is a positive integer. That's the conclusion. K is a positive integer. Now from here we can take Q is equal to K times of P. And even we can conclude that R is equal to K square times of P. This is the first conclusion we are getting when they are in geometric progression. This is the first conclusion. Now coming to the second condition, that is given that the arithmetic mean of PQR is Q plus 5. So arithmetic mean of PQR is Q plus 5. So we can say that Q plus 5 is equal to P plus Q plus R divided by 3. Arithmetic mean of that. So now on simplifying this, you will be getting that 3Q plus 15 is equivalent to P plus Q plus R. So now we can say that 2Q plus 15 is equivalent to P plus R. But now if I know the value of P, I will be getting the value of Y. And what is the greatest integral value of Y? Then I can calculate. So for that, what I have to calculate? I have to calculate the value of P. Replacing the value of Q and R from the first condition, we will be getting 2 into Q we can replace with K times of P plus 15 is equivalent to P we are writing as it is. Why? Because we need to calculate the value of P, and R I can replace with K square P. R I can replace with k square p. Now bringing the terms which are having p on same side, we will be getting that 15 is equivalent to k square minus 2k plus 1 into p into p. Now from here we can write k minus 1 whole square into p is equal to 15. So p we can write it as 15 divided by k minus 1 whole square. So till here everybody is doing very easily. But here p is a natural number. P is a natural number. P, it belongs to natural number. So whatever k minus 1 whole square we are having should be a factor of 15. So k minus 1 whole square should be a factor of 15. Then only we will be getting p value a natural number. Otherwise, we never get a natural number. So what are the factors of 15 we are having now? We have to get idea. That is what number theory. What are the factors of 15 we will be having? And square of something cannot be negative. So that's why k minus 1 whole square should be positive and it should be a factor of 15. So k minus 1 whole square, one of the factor of 15 I can conclude if it is 1, then you will be getting some value of k. But k must be belongs to integer, positive integer. That's the condition. So that is there we are using the number theory. Or now you will get doubt. Can I take k minus 1 whole square as 3? Yes, absolutely. Or can I take k minus 1 whole square as 5? You will get doubt. Yes, you can also take. But you have to keep always in your mind that k is positive integer. Now you will get doubt. Can I take k minus 1 whole square as 15 directly? Yes. These are the 4 cases possible. But in which case k value possible is integer, that you need to calculate. Okay? And here p is equal to, we are having 15 by k minus 1 whole square. We need to mention that k should not be 1. And even k should not be 0. Why? Because p, q, r are different. K should not be 0. These are the main conditions that you need to mention. Now coming to this case, first case I am solving. So case 1 I am solving. So k minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 you are taking. Okay. Now mod of k minus 1, I can say it is equal to 1. Square root. Taking square root. Square root of x square is always mod x. This is the most dangerous concept for competitive exams especially. Now here you will be having 2 cases. One is k greater than or equal to 1. Why? Because it is having critical point modulus function. 1 is what the critical point. More than that, inside thing will be positive. So we will be getting k minus 1 is equal to 1. So k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. Is it greater than 1? Yes, absolutely. So k equal to 2. One of the value we can go for. Next coming to, you will get doubt. You will get doubt if I take k value less than 1, less than in other ratio. Less than 1 means it is the other ratio. If k less than 1, then inside this modulus will be negative. The role of modulus is clearly making it positive. If inside thing is negative, you have to remove that modulus with multiplying with negative. So it will come out to be minus of k minus 1. That is equal to 1. Then you will be getting minus k plus 1 is equal to 1. K value is 0. But k is 0 ruled out. Since k should not be 0. In all other cases, either this case or this case, either this case or this case or this case, k does not belongs to, in these three cases, k does not belongs to integer. In these three cases, k does not belongs to integer. So these three cases are ruled out. So k value is clearly only 2 will satisfy our condition. Right? So when k value is 2, the value of p is clearly 15. P value is what? 15. When p value is 15, then the value of y which we are getting is p square, that is 15 square to 25, plus p, that is 15, plus 1 divided by p plus 1, 15 plus 1 will be 16. So y value you are getting clearly, this is 241 divided by 16, 241 divided by 16, so 15 15s are 225, so 16 15s are 240. So you will be getting 15 point something. So the integral greatest integer value of this y possible is clearly 15. So greatest integer value of y possible is what? 15. So answer for the question is what? 15 is the right answer.